Hi there, Mark here from AmericanAeration.com, and in this video I want to do a quick review of the Airmax SW40 Shallow Pond Aerator. Airmax makes two of these shallow pond dedicated aeration systems, the SW20 and the SW40, which will work up to ponds of a half acre in size and 6 feet deep. Generally, with these shallow pond aerators, you want to pay special attention to the depth rating by the manufacturer to make sure that you don't exceed that by much at all because of the type of pump that's used in these systems. They are exceptional for shallow pond situations, but they will not work well if you're much deeper than the recommended depth specifications. So pay attention to that as you go along. In this video, we'll cover the main features of the SW40. We'll talk about some of its specifications, also cover some maintenance tips, what you'll want to watch out for, and then we'll also cover at the end a comparable system. Really, there aren't many on the market right now that are dedicated to shallow pond situations of, say, 6 or 8 feet or less, but we'll give you a few options to consider if your pond is indeed that shallow. So, regarding the key features of the SW40, it will aerate ponds up to a half acre in size and up to 6 feet deep, but no deeper. It is powered by an LR50 linear diaphragm-based compressor. Because of this type of compressor, it is super quiet in operation. Also, the cabinet covering that comes with this system helps in dampening the sound output a bit too. It is an excellent cabinet. Also includes a built-in cooling fan, which keeps the entire internal area of this cabinet much cooler, and that will help with your pump longevity and reliability. As we get into the reliability index of the Airmax systems, we rate them from 8.5 or 9 out of a perfect 10. The pumps and compressors in these systems generally are excellent. They have never given us much of any trouble, and this is after 15 years of working with this particular brand. Cabinets are almost indestructible. Airline is excellent. The one thing that comes up from time to time, albeit rare, but we do see it from time to time, is the diffuser membrane sticks, which screw into this weighted base plate. They can occasionally, through accident, break off or become damaged in some way. Airmax has always been exceptionally good about honoring the warranty on this particular part, as they have been on anything else that's ever come up, which is rare, but they have been very good about handling those kind of issues, so it should not really be a concern, but we wanted to mention it as really the only minor criticism we would have on this system at all. It's been a very good, reliable performer for us over the years. Speaking of the warranty, as is the case with all the Airmax aerators, it has 10 years on the cabinet, 5 years on the airline and diffusers, and 3 years on the compressor. The specs for the SW40, again, half acre pond up to 6 feet deep is what it's targeted for. The kit itself includes the silent air cabinet and the compressor, 400 feet in 4 100-foot rolls of 3/8-inch weighted airline. You can also get it optionally with no airline to customize if you need less or more, that is an option when purchasing. It includes 4 of the 2 membrane stick diffuser plates. These are weighted base plates, so you don't have to do anything other than put them together, and they self-sync. Fittings and clamps are also included. Specs on the pump itself: it is an LR50 linear diaphragm-based compressor. It draws 0.87 amps on 115 volts and is available only in 115. 4.9 cubic feet per minute air output split between the 4 diffusers. As with all of our multi-diffuser systems that we work with, each has a dedicated valve at the compressor for the specific airline, so you can direct the airflow any way that you want. 6-foot max operational depth. That is a number you'll want to hold fairly close to. Don't exceed that by very much, or you'll put too much pressure on the compressor and what it's capable of handling. As you can see, it's extremely efficient on a monthly operational cost at $7.20 estimated by Airmax on 115 volts. Exceptionally economical to run. In terms of maintenance on a pump like this, you will have 2 points of concern. The first is the air filter intake. These should be checked and changed as needed, usually anything from 3 to 6 months up to a year, somewhere in that time frame. You'll probably be wanting to change these out or clean them whenever possible to keep operational conditions in great shape and just to keep the pump in great shape. The second thing that you'll want to remember is that these are diaphragm-based linear compressors, and they have diaphragms internally in them. They are what produce the air. They are rubber and have some components that can wear down, and eventually, usually on a yearly basis, you can go longer in some cases, but once a year you'll want to consider rebuilding the compressor, basically replacing these parts, and that is all included in a rebuild kit supplied by Airmax. Easy to do on site with a few simple tools and a bit of your time, and you'll have the compressor back up and running again. Some people will run this compressor until it stops or starts to produce less air. Usually this type of compressor will just stop its operation if the diaphragms wear out, and you can change them then too. But be advised that these 2 points of maintenance are really all you have to worry about with this particular system. Finally, comparable shallow water systems that are on the market. There are not many commercially available. You can do a lot with DIY in this arena, but commercially the only other one we would recommend at this time is from Easy Pro. It is the PA8SWN. It is not as full featured, not as well equipped as the SW40, but for a bare bones, solid operational aerator for shallow waters, I think it works up to 8 feet. So it has a little bit more depth capability than the SW40. You may want to consider the Easy Pro PA8SWN. As always, if you have questions about your pond aeration, or anything we've talked about in this video, please get in touch with us at AmericanAeration.com. We'll be happy to help, and I hope you have a great day wherever you are.